Hello guys, right, we have a Astra 2005. It's got a coil spring fracture or broken near side rear, so we need to repair that. We're going to forget about the suspension arm ball joints and the advisories for now, because we need to get it through its test. So we're going to get that major defect done. So what I've done is I've put the vehicle up on axle stands, both on axle stands, then I've got the jack under the main beam under the back, and then we're gonna make sure we see the fault before we change anything. And I think I see it already right at the bottom there. Is that it there? That's it there. You see it broken there. Yeah, it's broke off. That there should be joined onto there, which looks like a relatively new spring. If you look at the other side, oh, it's rusty as hell. This one's actually a new spring. Yeah, that piece there, it's meant to be joined onto there. So what we need to do is we need to undo this strut, so the whole thing will drop down. Might have to do the other side as well, I'm not sure. Depends if this side comes down far enough to get this spring out. So we'll whip this wheel off and let's go from there. Handbrakes on. So another brake's good. Get that off. Right, so I've got the wheel struts out to one side. Right, so as you can see there now, you can see that spring's broke. If you can just see that, turn the light on. There, that spring there is supposed to be connected to there. Just see it's off on its own. So we need to replace that. So first of all, I need to take this bolt out here, just that one, so the whole thing drops down. So let's say I'll go and get a proper socket for that, so we can drop that down. See if we can get this to drop down. I've got the jack under already, so that's holding it up. So what I'm going to do now is I'll get the bolt and we'll take it apart. Right, it's that one. It's just the rust. So it's an E20. Right, I'm going to hammer that on. There we go. There we go. Stick my impact on. And get that out. That out, so that should now effectively drop down. There we go. So that's down. Bring it around for a better look. It's down that. So pull this out. There's that piece there still in. There's it broken off there. So I'll get something to get that off. It's in there. spring. It goes like that. I don't even know how it goes. Anyway, must be a part missing out of it, like that. If you can see that there. So we need to get the new one. I'll get the new one put in. So I'll just take this top off. If I can get it off, that is. Right, I use all this for me crap jobs. Stuff like this. Should get it past. So I've got a new spring. Let's make sure it's the same. Yeah, it looks the same, like. That'll be off the floor, yeah, pretty much the same. I'll soon find out. So again, I'll take you back over. Let's get this on. So, make sure it's clean. Just want to make sure it's going to slide on and not bound up anywhere. Get that up in there. That's it. So that's it in now, guys. So what you need to do now is just jack the vehicle up so it pushes up and lines up with the like it's seated properly now. If you have a look in there, you can see it's seated. So when I've jacked it up, this main beam, you can see I've got that close there now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get the bolt in. I might have to let it down a bit or jack it up, depending on whereabouts it is. So let's get the bolt back in. Going to need new one of them soon as well, so it needs to come down a slight bit. Is that right? A little bit more. Is that too low now? Got it there. So wind that in. Let's get that tightened up. So I'm not sure of the torque specs of this, but I'm just going to do it FT. Whoops. So I think these bolts are the absolute garbage. That's it. That's FT. So that's it. So that's it done. I'll get that on the ground, get it torqued up and ready to go. So if you like the video, like and subscribe and comment down below. Cheers guys.